Bro, do you know VK Pandian?
I don't.
VK Pandian.
No. Who's
তুমি
that?
জানছো VK Pandian को?
No.
अरे भाई VK Pandian. Also, he's from Odisha and he doesn't know who is VK Pandian. But I know him very much. I'm big fan of VK Pandian.
Who is he? What does he do?
He is a. I should not call him as a politician.
Hmm?
He's the real hero. I should call him as a real hero.
Hmm.
Whatever development you are watching now,
Mhm.
it's because of him. All these are because of him. He made all those things possible.
What exactly did?
He was a bureaucrat.
Oh.
Then he turned the personal advisor of CM Nabin Patnaik.
Hmm.
Do you know Nabin Patnaik?
Yeah, that is the famous guy, right?
Yeah, Nabin Patnaik is a great leader. He's a world-class leader. I consider him as a world-class leader. BK Pandian and Mr. Nabin Patnaik. With their both efforts, Odisha developed a lot. Have you visited bus terminal in Bhubaneswar?
Yeah, I have. It's a beautiful place. It's like,
Really?
Yeah.
Have you visited there?
I have.
Because
actually.
of them, they developed that terminal.
Oh.
With both of their efforts, they has sorry, what I would say, they have developed Odisha.
Seems like they're doing
Yeah,
a good job.
I consider them as a great leader, as a world-class leader. Even though they are not in the position right now, people still remembering him. Odia people still remembering Navin Patnaik, still remembering Mr. VK Pandian because of his hard work and dedication to Odisha development. That's why people still remembering him. Do you know him or not?
I don't. I guess.
Have
no,
you
that's-
seen their photos anywhere in Odisha?
I think maybe on billboards.
Hmm?
I'm not assuming that maybe I've seen if they're that famous. Maybe I've seen them 1 or 2 times, but because I don't know them, maybe I fail to notice.
People are regretting now. As they are not in the position, that's why people are regretting.
Hmm.
In the search of gold, we lost our diamond. People thinking so. Are you getting my point or not?
Sure.
Now you can imagine how his personality was, how their personality was.
Good. Yes.
That's why I'm considering them as a good, as a great, as a world-class leader.
Same.
Thank you, brother, for spending with us your precious time. Thank you so much for spending us your precious time with us.
The pleasure has been mine.
Really?
It's a pleasure. Yeah, it's a pleasure. It's actually wonderful to.
So since how long you are here in Odisha? What makes you more impressive in Odisha?
I've been here roughly 18 months, and the thing that I like here is the people. I like the people and the environment is good. Though the temperature is not that favorable,
Yeah.
but everything else is kind of good.
Thank you so much, brother. Have you tried any Indian food?
Yeah, actually, I have. I've tried biryani.
Biryani.
Yeah, I have.
Biryani is not Indian.
It's not. It's not
Trust-
Indian.
Trust me, bro. Biryani is not Indian food. Biryani belongs to Gulf country.
So biryani is not Indian.
Yeah, it's famous in India, but it doesn't belong to India.
So what is Indian? What?
Biryani belongs to Gulf country. Do you know Gulf?
No, I don't know.
Saudi Arab, Dubai. Have you?
Yeah.
Yeah, biryani belongs to them. In India, we mostly prefer to eat bakal bhat. Do you know? Traditional food in Odisha. We mostly prefer to eat. Would you like to taste it?
Maybe.
Huh?
Maybe.
If you want, I will make you taste
Yeah, sure.
today. If you want.
Yeah, only if it's not spicy. I don't like spicy.
It's not spicy, bro. Trust me, it's not spicy.
Sure. Why not?
It will keep your stomach
Full.
cool,
Oh,
healthy as well. That's why most of Odia people prefer to eat pakal bhat. We consider it as our traditional food. Do you know chhanapoda? Chhanapoda?
No, I don't.
What, bro? Even though you have been here for such a long time, you don't know Chennapodu.
Yeah, I
I
don't.
think you must have tried at least once.
No, I don't have a habit of trying food items that I'm not very
You
well
must have
acquainted
tried at least once. Then only you can realize, then only you can.
No, that's like all this time I was thinking that biryani was an Indian dish. So all this time I was saying I've
It's
already
biryani
tried
is
it.
very famous in India,
But
but biryani doesn't belong to India.
hmm,
It belongs to where?
fascinating.
Gulf country.
Gulf country.
Just like Saudi Arab. So that's all. And here are also many more famous items if you want. We will also discuss. Would you like to discuss about? Would you like to go?
Yeah.